Hello and welcome to the Tableau Web-Editor training. In this first video, we'll cover accessing the reporting environment and the general interface of the web editor. All the information covered in these videos will also be available in the training material provided. To access the web editing environment, start by opening a new web browser and navigate to http://tableau and press enter. If you're not inside the city's network, you should actually open http://tableauopen.edmonton.ca. If it asks you to log in, simply use your network credentials to log in. And if you come to a screen similar to mine, you can click on Explore, or if you've come into the main window, just click on the Explore icon here on the side to get to the same spot. In this main window, you will see a list of project folders that you have access to. You're able to view this list by icons or a list view by clicking this icon to switch between them. The main screen works similar to Windows in that we have a list of folders at the top, followed by items below. The file list consists of two major types, workbooks and data sources. Let's open the main report directory. Click on the 301 Internal Report project folder. Scroll down until you find the report directory and simply click on it. This next window shows you all the views within a workbook, similar to the tabs in Excel or Google Spreadsheets. As this workbook only has one view, click that to open it. Let's create a new workbook to explore the web authoring view. From the main directory, I'm going to click on New, select Workbook, and I'll simply connect any data source at the moment to show you the main components of the screen. And in the case studies to follow, I'll show you how to use each section. The data source list is where we'll see all the data sources that we'll be using for this report. In the tables and measures list, we will see all of the different elements that can be used for this report. Items with blue icons are referred to as measures, while items with green icons are referred to as values. The filters card is where we can drag measures or values that we will use to filter the data to only what we need for our report. And the marks card is where we will configure all of the different parts of our visualization from color to the underlying tooltips. The column shelf is where you will drag measures or values onto in order to configure the columns or the horizontal axis for our report. While the rows shelf is where you'll be dragging measures or values to configure the rows or the vertical axis for our report. The main canvas area is where we'll see the report being built. As we change elements for the report, this section will automatically update. And finally, the tab row. Just as in Excel or in Google Spreadsheets, this row will show all the different tabs that are in our workbook.